Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your third brake light on a Nissan Frontier. First, gather your essential tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a small flathead, and your new 921 type replacement bulb. Always ensure your vehicle is parked securely and the ignition is off before starting any work. This ensures your safety and prevents accidental electrical issues during the process. Next, let's access the light assembly. You'll find two retaining screws on the top or sides of the third brake light housing. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to carefully remove them. Once the screws are out, gently pry the entire light assembly away from the truck body. Be careful not to force it, as plastic components can be fragile. Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful videos. On another note, if you're looking to truly change how you think about money, I highly recommend The Simple Path to Wealth *. It's a fantastic book. You can find a link to it, along with other deals, in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now it's time to replace the bulb itself. Twist the bulb socket counterclockwise to release it from the light housing. The old 921 bulb can then be pulled straight out. Take your new 921 bulb and firmly insert it into the socket. Twist the socket clockwise to secure it back into the housing. Test the light before reassembling everything.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.